Welcome back, tech enthusiasts and future-forward thinkers. Today we're diving deep into one of the most groundbreaking innovations in housing history, the 2025 Tesla tiny house. Yes, you heard that right. Elon Musk has confirmed that the Tesla tiny house is finally here. And it's not just any tiny home. It's a marvel of modern engineering, energy efficiency, and sustainable living, all for an unbelievable price of just $11,890. That's right. A home that's not only solar-powered and disaster-proof, but also designed to redefine affordable living for the modern era. So, buckle up as we explore every feature, spec, and benefit of this revolutionary housing solution. Imagine a world where your home doesn't just shelter you, but also powers your life, protects you from nature's worst, and adapts intelligently to your needs. This is exactly what Tesla is promising with the Tiny House 2025. Priced at just $11,890, this marvel is set to challenge the status quo of home ownership, offering features that most traditional houses could only dream of. Let's break down what makes this home a game changer. From its cutting-edge solar energy system to its state-of-the-art water management and disaster-resistant design, every detail of this tiny home has been engineered to perfection. And today, we're going to take you on a journey through each incredible feature, explain the technology behind it, and show you why this might just be the future of affordable living. Let's start with one of the most impressive aspects, the solar energy system. Tesla's tiny house is powered by their revolutionary solar V4 system, boasting an efficiency of 26.4%, a substantial leap over the typical industry standard of 15 to 18%. What does that mean for you? Simply put, more power, more efficiency, and more savings. Each square meter of this advanced solar roofing generates approximately 200 to 230 watts under optimal conditions. With a standard 40 square meter roof installation, the tiny house can produce a peak power output of up to 9.2 kilowatts. And in practical daily use, this translates to an impressive yield of 45 to 55 kilowatt hours during sunny days. And even during overcast conditions, you can expect between 30 and 35 kilowatt hours. This level of output far exceeds the average daily consumption of a typical tiny home, which is around 20 kilowatt hours per day. The surplus energy generated is stored efficiently using Tesla's advanced 4th generation Powerwall Plus. Let's talk about that next. The Powerwall Plus, with its robust 20 kilowatt-hour storage capacity and a staggering 99.5% energy conversion efficiency, ensures that your home is powered around the clock. Even during extended periods of low sunlight, it can continuously output up to 9.6 kilowatts, with a surge capability reaching 22 kilowatts. That's enough to power high-demand appliances like air conditioning, electric cooking ranges, and even charge a Tesla vehicle. When benchmarked against competitors such as LG's home battery system and Generac's PWR cell, Tesla's solution offers more than double the storage capacity for a comparable installation cost. This means incredible savings, both on your monthly energy bills and on your long-term energy independence. In fact, while the average American home might rack up $2,400 to $3,000 in annual electricity costs, a Tesla tiny house owner can potentially achieve complete energy independence. Now let's break down the numbers. With Tesla's sophisticated AI-driven power management algorithms, the home's energy usage is optimized to the nth degree. These algorithms analyze your usage patterns in real time and adjust the power flow accordingly, ensuring that every watt of generated energy is put to the best possible use. By integrating these smart systems, the Tesla tiny house is projected to deliver energy cost savings of between $75,000 to $90,000 over a 25-year period, even when factoring in annual utility rate increases of around 3.5%. And here's the kicker. The home can remain fully operational for up to 9 days without any sunlight, thanks to its high-capacity battery system. This is a critical advantage during emergencies or prolonged grid outages, compared to traditional backup systems that typically last just 24 to 48 hours. Before we move on, I have a quick question for you. Would you trade your current home for a Tesla tiny house if it meant no electricity bills and unprecedented energy independence? Drop a 1 for yes and 2 for no in the comments below, and let us know why. Energy isn't the only area where Tesla is breaking barriers. The company is also revolutionizing residential water management with the Tesla Flow system. Imagine a water purification process that rivals municipal treatment plants and industrial semiconductor standards. The Tesla Flow system is exactly that, a quantum leap in sustainable living. This cutting-edge system employs a sophisticated 7-stage filtration process. It includes ultrafine 0.001 micron reverse osmosis membranes, quantum photocatalysis, and advanced UVC sterilization operating at an optimal 254 nanometers wavelength. The result? A purification efficiency of 99.99% that not only meets but exceeds NSF ANSI 58 standards, ensuring your water is as pure as that found in semiconductor manufacturing facilities. Beyond purification, Tesla Flow revolutionizes water collection with its proprietary smart rainwater harvesting system. Featuring self-cleaning gutters and a first flush diverter, it automatically discards the initial 0.02 gallons per square foot of roof runoff, a critical step to ensure only the cleanest water is collected. For a typical roof size of 400 square feet, this means you can harvest up to 248 gallons of premium water during a 1-in rainfall event. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Tesla Flow system incorporates an integrated 500-gallon underground storage tank, built from aerospace-grade composite materials. This tank is designed to maintain a constant temperature of 55 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius, effectively preventing algae growth and ensuring that your water stays clean and safe to use. And with a greywater recycling system that achieves an unprecedented 98.5% recovery rate, Tesla has set a new benchmark, vastly outperforming competitors who typically reach only 65 to 70%. Not only does this mean dramatic savings on your water bills, which in stressed regions can average $150 to $200 monthly, but over a 20-year period, Tesla tiny house owners could see water cost savings of $45,000 to $60,000. And with maintenance costs averaging just $120 per year, an 80% reduction compared to traditional whole house systems, the economic impact is clear. Even during extended grid outages or drought scenarios, Tesla Flow can maintain complete water independence for up to 25 days, assuming an average consumption of 40 gallons per day for a 2-person household. Now that's a water system built for the future. Next up, let's talk about safety and durability. Tesla's tiny house isn't just a marvel of sustainable technology. It's built to survive even the most extreme natural disasters. Using aerospace-grade carbon fiber composite materials, the home's exoskeleton is designed with a tensile strength of 145,000 psi, more than twice that of traditional steel frames, which typically clock in around 60,000 psi. This extraordinary strength allows the Tesla tiny house to withstand sustained wind speeds of up to 156 pa, a force that would ravage most conventional structures, and lateral seismic forces up to magnitude 6.5 on the Richter scale. In effect, while traditional homes might crumble in the face of a Category 4 hurricane, the Tesla tiny house is engineered to stand firm. The secret lies in Tesla's innovative dynamic load distribution system. This AI-powered network of sensors continuously monitors and redistributes structural stress in real time, enabling the house to absorb and dissipate up to 40% more kinetic energy than traditional rigid structures. And if that wasn't enough, the foundation itself employs a hydraulic leveling system that can adjust the home's position by up to 15 degrees in any direction. This means that during seismic events or flooding, the house can adapt and remain stable. Let's put this into perspective. Leading modular home manufacturers might offer systems that can handle wind speeds up to 100 mph, but Tesla's design exceeds these limits by a significant margin. The aerodynamic design, developed using the same computational fluid dynamics software that engineers Tesla vehicles, reduces wind resistance by 60% during transport while maintaining structural integrity at highway speeds up to 80 mph. And here's something that truly sets this design apart. The entire 375-ton structure can be prepped for relocation in under 90 minutes with its innovative quick mount foundation system. Imagine being able to move your home to safety in record time, a feat that traditional houses simply cannot match. During extreme testing, the Tesla tiny house outperformed conventional construction methods by a factor of 4 in terms of structural preservation. So, when it comes to surviving nature's fury, this home isn't just prepared, it's built to excel. Now tell us, would you feel safer in a Tesla tiny house during a storm than in your traditional home? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Let's shift gears to another groundbreaking feature, the mobility of the Tesla tiny house. At just 12,000 pounds, it's 40% lighter than most traditional tiny homes, making it not only energy efficient and disaster-proof, but also remarkably portable. This means that with a towing capacity as low as 7,500 pounds, which is achievable with many modern vehicles, including the Tesla Cybertruck or Model X, you can transport your home wherever your heart desires. Whether you're chasing the perfect sunrise on a scenic coastal road or relocating your home to a safer area during severe weather, the Tesla tiny house is designed for true nomadic living. But mobility is just one part of the equation. Tesla has seamlessly integrated state-of-the-art AI technology to make this home not just movable, but truly intelligent. Enter Tesla Home OS 4.0, a custom-designed neural processor that manages over 500 control points throughout the house. This system handles everything from climate control and lighting to security and energy management. Powered by a neural processor capable of 215 trillion operations per second, Tesla Home OS 4.0 learns from your usage patterns and environmental data collected through 245 embedded sensors. This means that over time, the system becomes increasingly efficient, reducing HVAC energy consumption by 42%, optimizing lighting by 35%, and even predicting occupancy with an accuracy improvement of 89% compared to traditional smart home systems. And connectivity? Tesla's tiny house leverages Starlink's satellite network to provide constant internet speeds of up to 350 megabits per second. Whether you're in the middle of a desert or parked on a remote mountainside, you're always connected. The house can be controlled from anywhere within an 80-mile radius, ensuring that you're never out of touch with your home's status. Security has been taken to the next level as well. With Tesla's Sentry Mode integration, the home is equipped with 12 4K cameras, advanced facial recognition, and 360-degree surveillance, all managed through the unified Tesla app. Commands are responded to in under 100 milliseconds. That's 5 times faster than conventional smart home interfaces. This combination of portability, smart AI integration, and unparalleled connectivity transforms the Tesla tiny house into the world's first true AI-powered mobile home. It's not just a dwelling. It's a dynamic, intelligent living space that adapts to your lifestyle on the fly. Now let's talk numbers. Financial experts are calling the Tesla tiny house the most disruptive innovation in housing since the advent of the mortgage. With a base price of just $11,890, that's over $50,000 cheaper than even some of the most affordable boxable homes on the market. This isn't just a home. It's a financial revolution. Consider the typical American home, which over a 20-year period may cost upwards of $819,000 in total ownership expenses, including utility bills, insurance, and maintenance. In stark contrast, the Tesla tiny house, with its elimination of monthly electricity bills, saving an average of $3,600 annually, and insurance premiums that are 65% lower than traditional homes, brings the lifetime cost down to just about $89,890. That's an astonishing 89% reduction. But the savings don't stop there. Traditional homes require costly system replacements every 15 to 20 years, often averaging $42,000 per cycle. Thanks to its modular design and aerospace-grade components, the Tesla tiny house boasts a 40-year lifespan with only minor updates needed over time. Its self-diagnosing maintenance system even predicts and prevents 94% of potential issues before they occur, keeping monthly repair costs as low as $18 compared to $375 for conventional homes. And for those of you who are financially savvy, consider the impact of eliminating a traditional mortgage. Over 30 years, a typical mortgage could accrue around $120,000 in interest payments. With the Tesla tiny house, you're not only saving on energy and maintenance, but also avoiding those hefty interest charges. Moreover, the home's portability opens up exciting opportunities for location arbitrage, potentially adding an estimated $45,000 in value for retirement planning or relocation flexibility. When you factor in the compound interest earned on the mortgage payments you're not making, invested at a conservative 6% annual return, the numbers become even more striking. The integrated solar and water systems themselves generate annual savings equivalent to a $25,000 investment, yielding 5%. Over 20 years, that essentially pays for 70% of the home's purchase price. In short, owning a Tesla tiny house isn't just about sustainable living. It's about turning your home into a sophisticated financial instrument for wealth preservation and growth. So what does this mean for you? Is the Tesla tiny house the future of affordable, sustainable, and smart living? Let us know in the comments if you'd consider trading your traditional home for this revolutionary tiny dwelling. Tesla has always been at the forefront of innovation, and the tiny house is no exception. Beyond its remarkable technical specifications and cost benefits, this home represents the culmination of Tesla's vision for a sustainable, self-sufficient future. It's a glimpse into a world where technology and nature coexist in perfect harmony, and where your home is not just a place to live, but an active participant in your lifestyle. Imagine being part of a community of forward-thinking pioneers, individuals who value sustainability, efficiency, and the freedom of mobility. With the Tesla tiny house, you're not just investing in a property, you're joining a movement that's redefining what it means to own a home in the 21st century. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an environmental advocate, or someone simply tired of the endless expenses of traditional home ownership, this is your chance to be a part of something truly revolutionary. And speaking of revolution, Tesla's innovations don't stop with the tiny house. With continuous updates to their AI systems, solar technologies, and modular designs, we can expect even more mind-blowing breakthroughs in the near future. At Atom Tech, we're dedicated to bringing you the very first looks at these advances. So if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join us on this incredible journey into the future of housing. Let's take a moment for a deeper dive into the technical details that make the Tesla tiny house so extraordinary. We'll break down the core systems piece by piece, examining the numbers, technology, and innovations behind each feature. Starting with the power system, the Tesla Solar V4, as we mentioned, achieves a conversion efficiency of 26.4%. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a quantum leap that allows each square meter of solar roof to produce roughly 200 to 230 watts of power. With a 40 square meter installation, that's nearly 9.2 kilowatts at peak performance. The daily energy yield, under sunny conditions, can be as high as 55 kilowatt hours. which is more than enough to cover the daily needs of a high-tech, modern lifestyle. But what truly sets this system apart is its integration with Tesla's 4th-generation Powerwall Plus. With a 20 kilowatt-hour storage capacity and 99.5% efficiency, the Powerwall Plus isn't just storing energy, it's managing and optimizing it. It can deliver a continuous 9.6 kilowatts and handle surge demands up to 22 kilowatts. This means that during peak usage, such as when you're powering an electric stove, air conditioning, and charging a vehicle, your home never misses a beat. Let's now turn our attention to the Tesla Flow water system. This isn't your average water filtration setup. The system employs a 7-stage purification process that includes 0.001 micron reverse osmosis membranes, quantum photocatalysis, and UVC sterilization at 254 nanometers. The result is water with a purity level that rivals municipal treatment plants and even semiconductor-grade standards. The rainwater harvesting system is equally advanced, featuring self-cleaning gutters and first flush diverters to ensure that only the best quality water is collected. Once collected, the water is stored in a 500-gallon underground tank made of aerospace-grade composite materials, which maintains a stable temperature to prevent algae growth. And with a greywater recycling recovery rate of 98.5%, you're looking at dramatic cost reductions in water bills, from typical monthly costs of up to $200 down to just a few dollars per month over the long term. Now let's examine the structural integrity. The Tesla tiny house is constructed with a high-strength carbon fiber composite that boasts a tensile strength of 145,000 psi. This material, combined with an innovative dynamic load distribution system, enables the home to withstand wind speeds of up to 156 meter to pH and seismic forces of up to magnitude 6.5. The hydraulic leveling foundation further enhances its resilience by adjusting the structure's orientation during shifts or floods, ensuring stability no matter what nature throws its way. Moving on to the mobility and AI integration, the home weighs just 12,000 pounds and is designed for easy towing. Tesla's proprietary smart tow system uses active suspension technology to automatically adjust ride height and damping at an astonishing rate of 1,000 times per second. This system not only ensures stability while being towed at speeds up to 75 mm/h, but also reduces towing vehicle energy consumption by 27%, coupled with Tesla Home OS 4. The home becomes an intelligent, self-optimizing living space that adapts to your every need. In essence, the Tesla tiny house is not merely a physical structure, it's an ecosystem. Every component, from energy generation and storage to water purification and structural design, works in concert to create a home that is sustainable, efficient, and remarkably resilient. And when you add in the financial advantages, drastically lower total ownership costs, minimized maintenance, and elimination of traditional mortgage interest, you've got a housing solution that's truly in a class of its own. So, what does all of this mean in the real world? Let's explore some scenarios where the Tesla tiny house can make a transformative impact. Imagine a young family looking for an affordable, eco-friendly home. With the Tesla tiny house, not only do they save thousands on energy and water bills, but they also benefit from a structure that can withstand extreme weather conditions. In regions prone to hurricanes or earthquakes, this home provides unparalleled safety and peace of mind, all while reducing their carbon footprint. Or consider the digital nomad, constantly on the move. With its lightweight design and mobile capabilities, the Tesla tiny house offers a flexible, high-tech living solution that can travel with you wherever your work takes you. Imagine working from a scenic mountaintop or a remote beach, with full connectivity and all the comforts of home, all powered by cutting-edge Tesla technology. Another exciting application is in emergency response. In the event of natural disasters, traditional homes often become liabilities. In contrast, the Tesla tiny house can be relocated quickly within 90 minutes to safer grounds, providing a self-sufficient, disaster-proof shelter for those in need. Its ability to operate independently for up to 9 days without sunlight and 25 days without water inputs makes it an invaluable asset in crisis situations. This isn't just theory, the numbers, technology, and real-world tests back up every claim. From energy savings and disaster resilience to the ease of mobility and smart integration, the Tesla tiny house stands as a testament to what's possible when innovation meets necessity. And as Tesla continues to push the boundaries, we can expect even more enhancements and features in future iterations. Don't just take our word for it. Leading financial analysts and housing experts are hailing the Tesla tiny house as one of the most disruptive innovations in modern real estate. With its revolutionary design and unprecedented cost efficiencies, it's being compared to the advent of the mortgage in terms of its impact on the housing market. Analysts point to the fact that traditional homes come with a lifetime cost of nearly $819,000 when you factor in energy, maintenance, and interest on a mortgage. In contrast, the Tesla tiny house brings that figure down to less than $90,000 over 20 years, an 89% reduction in total cost of ownership. This dramatic difference is largely driven by its elimination of utility bills, drastically reduced maintenance requirements, and the absence of mortgage interest. For retirees, investors, and first-time homeowners alike, these numbers aren't just impressive, they're game-changing. Financial expert, voiceover. The Tesla tiny house represents not only a technological leap, but also a revolutionary approach to personal finance. It's turning housing into a smart investment vehicle, where every dollar saved on utilities and maintenance compounds into long-term wealth preservation. This is a home that isn't just about where you live, it's about how you live, both economically and sustainably. And as more people become aware of these benefits, the potential for a major shift in the housing market becomes clear. All right, tech fans, it's time for a quick Q&A. We want to hear from you. Here are some of the questions we've received from our community about the Tesla tiny house. Great question. Thanks to its aerospace-grade carbon fiber composite and dynamic load distribution system, the Tesla tiny house is designed to outperform traditional homes in extreme weather scenarios. It can handle wind speeds of up to 156 mph and seismic forces up to magnitude 6.5, making it one of the most resilient structures on the market today. Another excellent question. Thanks to the high-capacity Powerwall Plus and the advanced water storage system, the home can remain fully functional for up to 9 days without sunlight and maintain water independence for up to 25 days, ensuring that you're never left in the dark, literally or figuratively. Absolutely. With Tesla Home OS 4.0 and the integrated Starlink connectivity, you can monitor and control everything, from climate and lighting to security, from anywhere within an 80-mile radius. This seamless integration of smart technology is one of the defining features of this home. Keep those questions coming in the comments below. We love engaging with you and diving even deeper into this innovative technology. As we wrap up today's deep dive into the Tesla Tiny House 2025, it's clear that this isn't just a tiny home. It's a blueprint for the future of sustainable, affordable, and intelligent living. From its revolutionary energy systems and water management to its disaster-resistant design and mobile capabilities, every aspect of this home is designed to challenge conventional housing paradigms. Whether you're looking to cut down on utility bills, secure your future with a resilient and energy-independent home, or simply embrace a more sustainable lifestyle, the Tesla Tiny House offers an unmatched solution. And remember, this is just the beginning. As Tesla continues to innovate, we can expect even more groundbreaking features and improvements in future models. If you found this breakdown as mind-blowing as we did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Tesla breakthroughs and technological innovations. And don't forget, let us know in the comments if you'd be willing to trade your current home for a Tesla tiny house, and why. Thank you for watching and being part of this revolutionary journey into the future of housing. And we're here to keep you at the cutting edge of technology. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and most importantly, stay inspired. See you in the next video, where even more incredible updates are coming your way. To the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.